Angela is in court to claim £871.71 in outstanding rent arrears from her former tenant and friend. Defendant John says due to a change in circumstance, he was unable to make the repayments, and as there was no formal contract, he should be given more time to pay the money back.
Have I got Angela here?
Yes, Judge.
And is it John?
Yes, Judge.
Angela, you are a landlady and you rely on the income that you get from a building that you own. It represents a really significant amount for you. And you've owned this property and rented property out for roughly, a little more as far as I can gather, 30 years.
Yes.
Without any problem whatsoever. Until at some point, and it's agreed between the parties, you rented one of the flats to John, who was a family friend. John, you rented that property, and there was an agreement in respect of the rent, how much was it? £90 per week.
Yes.
There was an agreement on the rent of £90 a week. A significant portion of that was going to be made up in housing benefit, and the agreement between you was that the top-up, the difference, was going to come from you, John. Instead of paying that top-up, John, you simply didn't. But what you say, which is of more substance, is that the reality is I need to give you a greater opportunity to pay this money back because you found yourself, after signing the agreement, in unforeseeable circumstances. Eventually, the flat was not fit for purpose, particularly for your family, and you were simply unable to pay. Correct?
Yes.
Angela. Now, you decided to rent the property to John. You are not somebody that rents property without getting things properly and clearly in writing.
True.